Hello, and this is Mahalakshmi from CACP section. Today's my topic is Instagram powered UML diagram auto generator. The introduction to this topic is this is a tool leverages Instagram data to automate the creations of UML diagrams. It aims to streamline software design for documentations by using social media insights. The system combines image analysis, machine learning, and ML techniques for efficiency. Motivation and backgrounds. Manual UML diagram creation is time consuming and prone to errors. Instagram was a vast amount of visual and textual data that can inform software architecture. Automating UML generations from Instagram data can improve accuracy and reduce development time. Core concepts overview. The system extracts relevant information from the Instagram post using images and text analysis. Extracted data is mapped into UML components like classes, relationships, and attributes. The tools that then automatically generates UML diagrams based on this map data. Here we can look at the image given beside, which is a core concept overview of UML components, such as classes, relationships, and attributes. Data sources on Instagram. Instagram posts include images, captions, hashtags, and comments that contain valuable information. User profiles and engagement matrices provide additional context for data relevance. The system filters and selects penalty posts through keywords and hashtag analysis. Image analysis techniques. Convolutional neural networks CNNs, are used to recognize objects and as tags, locations, and figures, helping understanding the context. The analyzed images contribute to identifying classes and relationships in UML diagrams. Text analysis and natural language processing. Caption and comment analysis improves NLP to extract keywords and conceptual themes. Named entity recognition (NER) helps identify entities relevant to the UML context. Sentiment analysis and context understanding refine the abstraction process. Mapping Instagram data with UML components. Recognized objects and entities are mapped to UML classes and objects. Hashtags and keywords help define relationships and associations between components. Attributes and methods are inferred from textual description and metadata. UML diagram generations. System consolidation mapped data into UML templates. Data layouts algorithms organize components for clarity and readability. The generated UML diagrams are exported in standard formats like UML, XML, or the images. System architecture overview. The architecture includes modules for data collection, analysis, mapping, and diagram generation. Data collection modules interface with Instagram APIs to gather relevant posts. Analysis modules processes images and text before mapping to UML components. Here is the given a flowchart where data sources which consist of devices, CRM, central call center, DSP logs, digital analytics. Next, it goes to ingestion, where it consists of streaming, batch, relational data stores, file stores, connectors, etc. Processing has data cleaning and data transfer. And it also had identify resolution, segmentation, profile aggregation, and enrichment. And it also consists of raw, clean, and curate. And there are storage, data governance, and catalog. And the final step is analytics. And it consists of data analytics, dashboards, collaborations like data APIs and clean room share, and activations like messaging journeys, advertisements, real-time marketing, and calls. These are in system architecture overview of an Instagram page. Implementational technologies. Python is used for scripting, data processing, and machine learning algorithms. Libraries like OpenCV, TensorFlow, NLTK facilitate images and text analysis. These are the machine learning libraries. That diagram generation utilize tools like GraphViz or Plant UML for visual outputs. The machine learning algorithms in Python, such as linear regression, random forest, k-mean, KNN, which is known as k nearest neighbors, Navy base, support vector machines, precision tree, logistic regression. These are the machine learning algorithms in Python which were implemented in the Instagram technologies. Use cases and applications. Software design teams can quickly generate UML diagrams from project-related Instagram content, where it is known as association, where airplane and passengers. Connection between airplane and passengers is an association. Directed association, which is nothing but where an arrow which gives a indication to airplanes to passengers. This is known as directed association. Reflexive association, which is known as airline staff. And multiplicity is nothing but airplanes to passengers. Benefits and additions. Automate the tedious process of UML diagram creation, saving time and efforts. Utilizing rich visual and textual social media data for more dynamic data diagrams. Enhances collaboration by integrating social media insights into software design. Challenges and limitations. Instagram data quality varies, which can affect the accuracy of YAML components. Privacy concerns and API restrictions may limit data access. Complex software systems might require manual adjustments post-generations. Future directions and improvement. Integrate more advanced AI models for better image and text understanding. Expand data sources beyond Instagram to include other social media platforms. Develop user-friendly interfaces for non-technical users to customize UML diagrams. Ethical consideration. Ensure user privacy by anonymizing data and compiling with Instagram terms of services. Be transparent about data usage and obtain necessary permissions where acceptable. Address biased in AI models to prevent misinterruption of social media data. And the conclusion of this topic is Instagram powered UML data auto generation offer a novel approach to software modeling. It hardens social media to create meaningful and dynamic UML diagrams. Efficiently, continued development can improve accuracy, usability, and integration with other tools. Thank you so much.